gotta say that 2020 has been one of the best years for diecast cars from the Cars line for many years. I think since 2010 this has been the best year. I mean, we've got so many new cars. We've got the Silver line, we got new releases, we got next gens, we also got more scavenger hunt cars, and today's review is going to be on Metallic brand new Mater, because he is metallic. That makes sense to call him brand new Mater, because brand new Mater is essentially Mater but brand new. But metallic, basically, he is called brand new Mater. Now that's how I call it, and of course, yeah. So, of course, let's start off where I got this guy from. I got this particular one from Smith's Toys Superstores, also along with Colour Changes Bobby Swift. Got two of them. Might do a video on him. Not exactly 100% sure yet, because I don't want to get my display all wet and everything because of how much stuff there is on here as well. So that might be a possibility. I do not know about the review on Bobby Swift, but yeah, dilly-dallying on. So yeah, brand new Mater was seen in the exact same case as Metallic Haul Inngas, which of course I do have one here, which is, of course, I can't make my mind up to which one is the best one in the case. Of course, Metallic Haul Inngas or Metallic brand new Mater. Of course, we'll have to let that know today when we unbox him. So yeah, let's turn on the flashlight here. And wow, look at that shine. That's these medicated bumper ointment there. Of course, we've got the name tag that reads brand new Mater, which is actually a different font to what the name tags actually are. They're usually a tiny bit smaller, so they enlarged the font for Metallic brand new Mater. Of course, here is the car inside, which we'll be taking a closer look at, which you can see the reflection of. Looks pretty cool. Coding at the bottom there. Mattel logo, 3+. There's his artwork, which is the same artwork as usual. We've got the Cars logo here, who's in the blue desert line for 2020. And of course, here is the question mark / to see what series he is in, the Scavenger Hunt line. Of course, which is also new, he's got a code up top here. So of course, very nice. Of course, on the back we've got RSN, and of course, there is packaging variants, which I will take a look at now. So before we open this guy up, I do have the second one, of course, but there is difference. There is packaging differences, as you can see. This one is European, because it only has the picture of the car, and of course, Metallic brand new Mater, or brand new Mater in a whole bunch of different languages, which I don't even know any of them. He's made in Thailand, just to make sure. There we go. Of course, here is the package variant, which we can see. The other cars, we've got Union Jack Ramon, Car Weathers, Jonas Carvers, and Haul Inngas. Of course, Jonas Carvers is one of my favourites, one of my favourite all-time cars. So yeah, of course I'll be opening up the European packaging, because it is more likely that I'll be seeing this one in stores over the American packaging, or non-European packaging I should say. So yeah, let's start off with this unboxing. This Mater looks very familiar to you, doesn't he? Yes, of course he does. That's because there's also this Metallic Pixar Fest car, which is slightly different, which we will gloss over in a different video. Maybe I'll do a video on the Pixar Fest cars, but yeah, of course, before, let's now start off the review. So here is Mater. Of course, he has been released from Thailand before, so we can already see the differences, and of course, Metallic brand new Mater is just very cool. He will never beat Jonas Carvers, but he'll be my second favourite Metallic car, I believe, after Haul Inngas, because they're in the same case. Can't make my mind up exactly, but as you can see, it looks so cool. But yeah, let's start off with the front review now, or the review as I say. You can see that reflection of the camera, that just looks amazing. Of course, we can see his teeth there hanging out as usual. His two headlights, which is of course only on this Mater. We got the hood, which is this metallic light blue colour. Got the expression with the Thailand eyes, which is the only part that's not metallic, which are the eyes. because I guess it's a plastic insert piece. Of course, we've got the 4 working lights at the top. Man, that reflection is just so cool. Hopefully you guys can't see my face. We've got the tow cable here, the tow hook, because we've got the orange light on the top, the 2 lights here. Tow motor, tow radiator springs, tow and salvage, it's of course very nice. We've got the dent on the side here. We've got this light at the back. It's all white rims, as you can see on both sides. Tow motor. On the back, we've got the usual A113 license plate, which if you didn't know is the Pixar room where it all began. Of course, we've got these hazards here as well. Here is the base if you're interested. Made in Thailand. Week 25 in Factory A, made in 2020. Mattel. Other some languages there. So yeah, coming in quickly to this one. Of course, we'll compare it to the China one. So you could say this is Thailand versus China, which originally started by Piston Cup Productions, so shout out to him. But yeah, this isn't really a Thailand versus China, this is just a unboxing and review. So yeah, this is the Thailand one, as you can see. Made literally, what, 11 weeks apart? Would you say that? 11 weeks? I mean, that's just amazing. Especially during the word I'm not allowed to say, get demonetized for it, if I say that word. But yeah, you can see the differences, way more metallic. Of course, here is the China one, which you can see. Of course, like I will show you, China there. You can see, very cool. You can see the reflection, it's so amazing. It would be my favourite metallic car if they could make the base metallic, that would have been so cool. But yeah. And of course, just another one here is the rolling bowling motor from the Rolling Bowling's pay set, or as a single diecast made in Thailand way back in the day. This is in fact the Thailand one, as you can see, so this is the rarer one, I believe. Yeah. No license plate on him. So pretty cool. And of course, like I did say, I will show him against the Pixar Fest one. Of course, differences, he's got Pixar ball, and shout out to Piston Cup Productions because he has done a comparison on them. The metallic blues are in fact different. You might be able to tell on camera, but yeah, they are in fact actually different. Of course, as you can see, both made in Thailand. The base is different as well. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Quick comparison to the regular meter now. Of course, this is regular meter, up to date meter. And of course, this is metallic brand new meter. Of course, we've got the rust on the side, all these dents. Of course, whoa, that reflection right there. That's just amazing. Yeah, there's meter. Different meter, just, you know, from Thailand. A new one. Very nice. And of course, here is meter with hood. Not exactly sure if he was made non-lenticular, but cool release as it is. And of course, just for laughs and giggles, we got the Mini Racer brand new meter as well. Also made in Thailand. It's weird how the minis are made in Thailand where the diecast used to be made in China. But yeah, that does end the review on Metallic brand new meter. So we bring back all the cars, not all of them that were featured in this video. We've got meter here, Metallic brand new meter there. Of course, we've got Rolling Bowling meter. We've got another one boxed here. We got the Pixar Fest one here as well. Of course, very nice background there. Of course, we also got regular meter here. And of course, Thailand meter would go there, just in the background. And meter of hood. And of course, mini meter. So let me know which is your favourite. Haul Inngas from the case, or Metallic brand new meter. I'm going to have to go with Metallic brand new meter just because it's a meter. Shout out to my friend who does actually like meter for some reason. But yeah, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like. Dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification button down below. So next one, bye guys.